The 2013 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.